The other day I went on a bicycle ride after dark, and some of the trail areas were quite dark because there was no lighting. So today I decided to buy some bicycle lights for my bike. So these are the lights that I bought. Now these lights are LED, and the top one here takes 4 AAA batteries and the bottom one here takes 2. And they have different lighting modes. You can either have steady light or you can have a flashing light. And the flashing light actually makes the battery life last longer according to the box. But I think that would be a little bit annoying for a motorist to come up to behind somebody or in front of somebody with a flashing light like that, sort of like a strobe light. I will quickly open the box and show them to you before I put them on the bicycle. So here's the rear reflector, and on the back it has a clip. And here's the button to turn it on. And here's the mount for the rear light. So as you can see, this part goes around the seat post, and then you slide the light itself into here. Both mounts have a release here, so you can take your light inside with you so it doesn't get stolen. It also came with this mount. Now this would be if you had a reflector on the rear of your bicycle, you could just mount it to that. Now the front light is really easy. You just mount it onto your handlebars, and that's pretty much it. And again, here is the switch to turn on the light. And this adjusts the tension of the clamp, and here's a release so you can slide the light off and go inside if you're not around your bicycle. And these are made by Blackburn. It says Bell Sports on the back of the box, and now I will go put it on the bicycle and show you what it looks like. So what you do here is you take out this bolt that was to adjust the tightness of the clamp that I showed you earlier. So this is free, and then you just put it around your seat post near the bottom. Then you slide this piece back into the reflector, and you pull it snug by hand, and you just slide this piece into these little holders here. And then you put the bolt back in. And then you would just turn it on. There's the steady light. Here's one of the flashing or strobing modes. And here's another one. Then you press it again to turn it off. But there you go, that's pretty quick and easy to install. Now I'll quickly put on the front one. I won't go through the whole process of putting on the front one because it's basically the same as this one. It's just that it goes on the handlebar. And there you go, now you have the front one on. And again, I'll turn it on. It has a couple of different modes. I can't really show you that right now. So there you can kind of see it a little bit. But I'll show it to you outside a little bit better. So here it is outside. This is the front light on steady. Now I'll use the strobe feature. So that's what it looks like. It's pretty bright, as you could tell. And here's the front strobe feature. I could say it would be visible at least 50 feet away from the bicycle. Now I'll quickly show you the rear light. And here is the rear light. As you can see, it's very bright. I'm right next to my shed. You can see the light is reflecting off the shed. And here's one of the strobe features. And here's the other one. So that should definitely help when I'm riding my bicycle after dark. Subscribe or visit my YouTube channel.